Welcome. Today we are going to explore the queue data structure. This is a fundamental concept in computer science that helps us organize and manage data efficiently using a specific set of rules. So, what exactly is a queue? In simple terms, it is a linear data structure that follows a specific order for its operations. You can think of it just like a line of people waiting for a service. The elements are stored in a sequence, one after another. To understand it better, let us look at some real-world analogies. Think of a ticket counter. The person who arrives first gets served first, or consider a printer. If you send 3 documents to print, the printer finishes the first document before starting the second one. This is exactly how a queue works. The core principle behind a queue is called FIFO. This stands for first in, first out. It simply means that the element added to the queue first will be the first one to be removed. It is a fair system where the longest waiting item gets processed next. Now let us talk about the operations. The first one is enqueue. This operation is used to add an item to the queue. Important to note, items are always added to the rear or the back of the line. This operation increases the total size of the queue. The opposite operation is dequeue. This removes an item from the queue. Unlike adding, removal always happens from the front. The item that has been waiting the longest leaves the queue. If you try to dequeue from an empty queue, it will usually result in an error. There are a couple of helper operations you should know. First is peek, sometimes called front. This lets you see what is at the front of the line without removing it. Second is empty, which is a simple check to see if the queue has no elements. This is very useful to prevent errors. It is common to confuse queues with stacks. The main difference is the ordering. Queues use first in, first out, like a line at a store. Stacks use last in, first out, like a stack of plates where you take the top one off first. In a queue, you add to the rear and remove from the front. In terms of performance, queues are very efficient. The main operations, enqueue, dequeue, and peek, all have a time complexity of O of 1. This means they take a constant amount of time regardless of how many items are in the queue. The space complexity is O of n, growing linearly with the number of items. Finally, where are queues used in the real world? They are everywhere. Your computer uses them for scheduling CPU tasks. Web servers use them to handle requests, and they are essential for graph algorithms like breadth-first search. Any system that needs to manage a fair waiting line uses a queue.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.